Good morning, students. Today's topic is elevation of boiling point. This is the second colligative property which depends on the number of particles, means atom, ions or molecules. In this property, when a non-volatile solute is added to a volatile solvent, then the vapor pressure of the solvent decreases. In order to make this solution boil, its vapor pressure that must increases by increase the temperature of a above boiling point. Boiling point is the temperature at which the vapor pressure of solution that is equal to atmospheric pressure. It means that this difference in the boiling point of solution, that is this one TB, and that of pure solvent T naught B is called, this difference is called as elevation of boiling point. It is denoted by delta TB. Means delta TB is equal to TB minus TB naught. It means the boiling point of solution minus boiling point of pure solvent. For a dilute solution, it has been found that the elevation of boiling point is directly proportional to molar concentration of solute in the solution, that is molality. Delta TB is directly proportional to M. Delta TB is equal to Kb into M, where Kb is a constant. It is also called as molar elevation constant or ebullioscopic constant. Kb depends on solvent. Kb is equal to delta Tb by M. Delta Tb is the boiling difference in the boiling point of solution and that of pure solvent. Delta Tb is called as elevation in boiling point. Its units is Kelvin divided by molality, means mole per kg. Kb unit is kg per mole. Here, how will you calculate the molality? Molality means number of moles of non-volatile solute divided by mass of solvent. Next, how will you define Kb? It means molar elevation constant. When M is equal to 1, suppose this M is equal to 1. After that, delta Tb is equal to Kb. It means the elevation in boiling point when 1 mole of a non-volatile solute is dissolved in 1 kilogram of solvent. Now, delta Tb is equal to Kb into M. M is equal to Nb by Na. It means delta Tb is equal to Kb into Nb, means number of moles of solute, divide by number of moles of solvent. Here Nb, how will you calculate the number of moles? Given mass divided by molar mass, means Wb by Mb into Na. Na means Wa multiply divide by Ma. Ma is the molar mass of solvent, that is 1000 gram. If Wa is constant, then delta B is directly proportional to number of moles of solute. it means the elevation in boiling point that depends on the number of moles of solute. It means it is a colligative property where Nb is equal to given mass Wb divide में molar mass of solute Mb. Putting this value here Nb and this one Na means Wa in divide में Ma. After that we can calculate Mb is equal to 1000 multiply Kb multiply में Wb divide में Wa multiply delta Tb. From this equation we can calculate the molar mass of solute. After putting the value of Nb and Na, now we will discuss some numerical problem related to elevation of boiling point. First, 18 gram of glucose is dissolved in 1 kg of water in a saucepan. At what temperature will water boil at 1.013 bar? Kb value for water is given, that is 0.52. It means the mass of solute is given 18 gram, and here we calculate the molecular mass of glucose C6H12O6, that is 180. Delta Tb is equal to Kb into M. First of all we calculate the molality because Kb value is given. Here we calculate delta Tb. Molality is equal to given mass, number of moles of solute present in mass of solvent. 18 divided by 180 is equal to 0.1. It means 0.1. 0.52 multiply 0.1, that is 0.52. After calculating delta Tb, it means delta Tb is equal to Tb minus Tb naught, means difference in boiling point of solution minus boiling point of pure solvent. After that we can calculate the boiling point of solution is equal to pure solvent plus elevation in boiling point. It means the water boil at 100 degrees Celsius, 100.15 degrees Celsius. After addition it is converted into Kelvin 273, that is 373.15 Kelvin plus 0.052, answer is 373.202 Kelvin. Now next question, the boiling point of benzene C6H6 is 353.23 Kelvin when 1.8 gram of non-volatile solute was dissolved in 90 gram of benzene. The boiling point is raised to 354.11 Kelvin. Calculate the molar mass of solute. Kb value is given. Here two temperature are, means this boiling point of benzene is here, that is this one solvent, pure solvent. Delta Tb is equal to difference in boiling point of solution minus pure solvent, means 354.11 minus 353.23. Elevation in boiling point is 0.88 Kelvin. After that we apply this formula, molar mass of solute. Mb is equal to 1000 into Kb into में Wb by में delta Tb into में Wa. Here Kb value is given 2.53 multiply mass of solute is given, that is 1.8 gram, this one non-volatile solute. Delta Tb value here we have calculated 0.88, and Wa value, that is this one 90 gram of benzene, 90. After calculating 58 gram per mole, that is the answer. Now next question, the boiling point of water at 750 mmHg is 99.63 degrees Celsius. How much sucrose is to be added to 500 gram of water such that it boils at 100 degrees Celsius? It means delta Tb is equal to difference in the boiling point of solution minus pure solvent, means boiling point of water, that is 100 degrees Celsius, this one given 100 degrees Celsius minus 9.63 degrees Celsius, it means 0.37 degrees Celsius or 0.37 Kelvin. WB is equal to, here we calculate the weight of solute, 0.37 multiply 0.342 multiply 500 divide में 1000 into में 0.52, that answer is 122 gram, means weight of solute. We can easily calculate it by this formula also. Here WB we can calculate, and this one given, sucrose molecular mass 342, 1000 multiply Kb value given, delta Tb here we calculate 0.37, Wa that will be given 500 gram, and WB we can easily calculate, that is 122 gram. Thank you students, have a nice day.